Okay, no, I'm telling you, I want you to show me. The point is that you're going to show me how to make an airplane. Okay. How to
So
make an
there's a
airplane.
pink line.
Okay.
Use your scissors to cut the pink line. Mine has to because
Okay, we just have to go a little bit faster than usual because I don't have plenty of minutes. That's the big one. Okay, hold on a minute.
now you need to fold it in half. Fold it in half. In any way.
Anyway, I can fold it half this way if it's square. Okay. Right. Okay.
Open it, then turn it so that the line is facing you.
Okay.
Then fold it in half the other way, but don't crease it. Because you may crease it in the center. You're going to be able to see the center like right here. You may crease it in the center area, like right here.
Okay.
And then fold it. Fold up the bottom edge to the center pinch. Then fold up the corners to the top, to the center one, which is marked by the top of the sheet. Then the bottom ends on the side of the sheet. Fold it up into the middle.
You like this? You look the same? This is what yours looks like?
Mounting version is full behind.
One second, one more person make it for now.
I just turn it over to make it easier.
Okay.
Fold the bottom point to the center pinch. Turn it back over. Fold in half. Turn down the slanted edge to the bottom line.
Don't put this thing, I have to pull my thread, you know that. Not put this in my...
Mommy!
Yeah, what am I supposed to do then?
Fold in the edge.
Okay, so I have it open like this. How am I supposed to do?
Fold in half.
Okay, right, I fold it in half, okay?
Now fold the top end, the slanted edge to the center, to the bottom line.
This way?
The slanted edge to the center line.
Okay.
Turn it over. Now, using the line that you already made, fill it along that line. Because the two ends must fill in like this. Even though,
Two ends of line like this on top?
yeah.
Okay.
Open up the wings,
Mm-hmm.
and then you throw it upwards. I'll go like this. You throw it upwards. You
Yeah.
throw it upwards. No, like
How should I
directly
throw
up.
mine? What if I want to throw mine this way?
I'll do it this way.
What should I do?
The easiest way to do it is like this to make it come back to this to make it loop.
So I want to throw it this way. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah. That was pretty cool.
That was a good glide, was it? Let me try yours.
No, I want to try my own.
It was a good glide.
Yeah. No, mine didn't work. It did, Luke. Can I try yours?
Yeah.
No.
It almost did.
I don't know how to do mine. It's not working. Upwards it works. Can I try mine again?
Remember
Here,
this
give me
is
mine.
better? So I'll have to try this one more time.
Yeah.
Go start your
Okay, that's fine. Wait, I want to try mine. Can I have mine back?
Hey, you should!
Can I have mine back? This is the end of it. What should I do with it?
Like this.
Yeah.
No, hold directly up to your arm now. Lift it up a bit. Bend your arm back like this. And then throw.
Oh!
Yeah, you're good.
Very good.
Now hold it by the bottom upside down. And then hold it up. Throw it up. To make it look. But that's
Hey, mine worked.
That's because it's like that. See, that was.
Nice.
It almost did a loop.
See? Look at that. Okay, come stand over here.
How did you do that?
Just gently. That's yours.
Go like that.
Oh, it's yours first.
It usually happens.
How do you know which one's mine?
That one is because I'm playing with mine. Did you see that? It moved. You know, I wasn't trying to make it. Hey! Mine was pretty soon, Tab.
Look at mine.
Hey!
1 second, should I show you mine?
Nice, that's exactly how mine went. I think that's what was mine.
And you know which one first, so I'll use yours. Can I use yours?
Okay. I really only have one thing in your lunch bag. Yeah, that one. Because